Welcome back to Auto Dynasty, the ultimate destination where power meets precision and design meets dominance. Today, we have something truly special. A car that revives one of the most iconic names in Mazda's history. Yes, the Rotary legend has returned. The 2026 Mazda RX-8 is finally here, officially unveiled as the next-generation performance machine that blends heritage with cutting-edge innovation. And trust me, this one's not just another sports car. It's a statement of rebirth for Mazda's performance era. Mazda fans have been waiting over a decade for this moment. The RX nameplate, once defined by the scream of the Wankel Rotary engine, has now been reimagined for the modern era, sharper, faster, and more technologically advanced than ever before. The new 2026 RX-8 doesn't just carry nostalgia. It rewrites the rulebook on how Rotary performance should feel in the 21st century. At first glance, the design of the 2026 RX-8 is pure art. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy has evolved, bringing even more aggression and sculpted fluidity to the body. The front end features a low, sleek nose with laser-sharp LED headlights and a wide grille that gives it an unmistakable road presence. Every curve of this car is sculpted for both aerodynamics and elegance. The long hood, muscular fenders, and short rear deck give the RX-8 that perfect sports coupe silhouette, while its new adaptive air vents and rear diffuser improve both cooling and downforce. The side profile showcases a bold mix of tradition and modern flair. The signature freestyle doors are back, but with a futuristic twist, frameless and electronically assisted. The flush door handles and carbon accents give it a race-ready vibe, while the 20-inch forged aluminum wheels with performance tires complete the aggressive stance. Around the back, a sleek LED light strip runs across the width of the car, merging seamlessly into a carbon fiber rear spoiler. Dual exhaust outlets integrated within the diffuser hint at the power that lies beneath. Under the hood is where Mazda truly brings the RX-8 legacy into the future. The 2026 model reintroduces the Rotary engine, but with a major twist: it's hybrid-assisted. The all-new 1.6-liter twin-rotor Skyactiv-R engine is paired with an electric motor, creating a perfect balance between raw rotary power and instant electric torque. Together, they deliver a combined output of around 420 horsepower, channeled to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Mazda has also hinted at a manual version in limited markets for purists. Performance-wise, the RX-8 is nothing short of thrilling. It sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds and reaches a top speed of over 280 km/h. The hybrid system not only adds power, but also enhances efficiency, allowing the Rotary engine to maintain its legendary high-revving nature while improving fuel economy and emissions. The electric motor also serves as a torque fill during gear shifts, making acceleration smooth and continuous. Mazda engineers have worked tirelessly to fine-tune the driving dynamics. The chassis has been built on Mazda's new lightweight Skyactiv platform, with a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. Adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and torque vectoring technology ensure razor-sharp handling around corners. The steering feedback is pure and precise, giving drivers the connection they crave between man and machine. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking winding roads, the RX-8 delivers a driving experience that feels alive, emotional, and unmistakably Mazda. Step inside, and you'll realize this isn't just a sports car, it's a cockpit built for the future. The cabin combines minimalism with luxury, using high-quality materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The driver-centric layout keeps all controls within easy reach, while the new holographic digital instrument cluster displays real-time performance data and rotary engine status. The center console houses a floating 12.9-inch touchscreen with Mazda's latest AI-powered infotainment system, supporting voice control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless updates. Mazda has also focused on comfort and practicality. Despite being a sports coupe, the RX-8 retains a 2+2 seating layout, providing enough space for short trips with passengers. The seats are sculpted for maximum support, featuring integrated cooling and heating functions. The rotary-shaped start button and the illuminated RX badge on the steering wheel add a subtle reminder of the car's iconic DNA. Safety and driver assistance are also top tier. The new RX-8 comes with Mazda's iActive Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. However, Mazda made sure these systems don't interfere with the driving excitement. They're designed to assist, not control. Now let's talk about the most anticipated part, the price. The 2026 Mazda RX-8 is expected to start around $55,000 for the base trim, with higher performance variants reaching up to $70,000 depending on options. Considering the performance, technology, and exclusivity this car offers, it's set to compete directly with the likes of the Toyota GR Supra, Nissan Zeed, and even the BMW M2. The RX-8 isn't just another sports car revival. It's Mazda's declaration that passion-driven engineering still has a place in the future of mobility. The hybrid Rotary system proves that innovation can coexist with tradition, and performance can live alongside sustainability. So, what does the rebirth of the RX-8 mean for Mazda fans and car enthusiasts? It means that the Rotary spirit lives on, more powerful, more efficient, and more emotional than ever. This is not just a comeback, it's a revolution. The 2026 Mazda RX-8 has arrived to remind the world why driving matters. If you enjoyed this exclusive first look at the next generation RX-8, make sure to subscribe to Auto Dynasty and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest car releases, performance reviews, and automotive innovations. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion alive. This is Auto Dynasty, where legends are reborn.